Oh, it's another cutscene. Really, come stand next to me. The fireplace smells great. I was hoping you'd come by sometime. Water? You need water? I wanted to say sorry for mistrusting you at first. Most people don't treat me well, so I've learned to be cautious. But you've been uncommonly nice to me. You're a unique person, and I consider you a good friend. Thank you, Linus. Hey, I want you to show you something. Come inside. What is that? Ah, there we go. See, this is a special kind of fish. Bait that I make. Oh, okay. It's a top quality stuff. I need it myself. Here, I want you to have the recipe. That is actually weird. Learn how to craft wild bait.